to give the things. So we have to keep support, and all the person, all the guests, all the members should have to keep effort for their efforts. If the person is trying, we should have to support these things. If we are doing something new things in our city, that is great for our future, for our upcoming generations, because the upcoming generation, if we are doing better things, there are many friends are sitting here, my dear friends, and they have been doing very good job in agriculture sector. And I know some friends are in my age, because I am younger. Some friends are in my age, and they have been doing job, and they have been earning pocket money more than 25,000 since the age of below 25 year age. It's a good thing. So my dear, when you are entering class 11, if you choose the subject agriculture, you should think that what I have to do in future. So you have to think that what I have done in future. If you make plan, so you should join. You should take advice from Master Academy Agriculture and any academy. But in Sipri, Asta is top, so you must take the advice from them, these teachers. I think you know very well about the Pasta Agriculture Academy, because I have not idea too much about, because I am not in present time in Sipri, but I heard. So you know very well about these things, and we are thankful, my dear, because the person is trying their efforts. We should keep support. And Selen sir and Sunil sir, I hope that you will do very good work in future also, because the future of the students in your hands. So please hear. And I want to tell you, my dear, you are not doing your work. You will become in future. I am written these things. You will become the future star for the students, because you burn the light in the someone else home because of you. If you are doing these kind of activity, it's a great opportunity for students, and thankful for these things. And I want to tell you one thing is that if you are coming here, there are many students of agriculture sector, they are absent today, but you are coming here. It means you have took some efforts, you have taken some efforts. If you are coming here, it means you have done some efforts. यानी आप अगर यहाँ पर आए हो तो आपने कुछ प्रयास किया है. किसी ने कहा भी है कि चलते रहो यारो, भटकते भटकते सही मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी, और गुमराह तो वो है जो कभी घर से निकले ही नहीं. And in our young age, in student life, one thing is very necessary, that please become humble. Humbleness and politeness is the success of key, because these are the key. The door will open by humbleness and politeness. And you should do your work in simply manner, in silent manner. And someone has told that खामोशी से अपनी पहचान बनाते रहो, ये हवाएं एक दिन आपका नाम खुद ही खुद गुनगुनाएंगी. और किसी ने कहा भी है कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी हमेशा, फैले हुए उनके ये पंख बोलते हैं. परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी हमेशा, फैले हुए उनके पंख बोलते हैं. वही लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. And again, I am very thankful to all the members, all the guests. And I know I am younger. There are many, my guru, my respected my dear friends, elder brother, and many friends are sitting here. But really, I appreciate your efforts from Paryal sir and Selen sir and Sunil sir and Kisan sir, all the team. I want to thank you. I want to tell you thank you for Asta Academy Agriculture, that you have been doing the great effort. And I hope, I pray to God that I hope you will do the better and more better work for the future of students. And this is very good opportunity for students. And sir has told that the job placement, I think first time in our C3. If this is the first time, we hope if the students and many students and friends get the jobs, they are thankful of you. And we hope that we will meet soon in next session when we will do in grand level. So I am very thankful to you. Thanks for calling me, sir, and I am very thankful of you and everyone. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आकाश सर. साथियों, बिल्कुल रियली में ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी है। और उन्होंने अभी 4 दिन पहले ही 3-4 दिन पहले की ही बात है, उन्होंने शिवपुरी के अंदर द स्काई एकेडमी करके एक संस्थान डाला है, जिसमें यहाँ शिवपुरी जो हनुमान कॉलोनी है बस स्टैंड के पास में, वहां पर उन्होंने संस्थान डाला है। नवोदय विद्यालय फोर्स की तैयारी के लिए सबसे मेन फोकस है इनका, और एक अनुभवी व्यक्ति है। निश्चित तौर पर हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपका संस्थान दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करे। मैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ कितने लोग आए हैं, पहली बार प्लेसमेंट देने के लिए कितने लोग आए रिज्यूम?